My name is Wai. I'm working for Gadget. Gadget is a sole distributor for BlackVue dashcam. Today we are going to feature our latest product from BlackVue, that is the R970 Box Plus. This model comes with a 4K resolution, where it's a high resolution that can capture a very clear night vision. The 4K resolutions of the lens from Sony Starvis 2 can enhance the low light conditions where it can improve the quality of the recorded videos. This model also comes with the cloud features. With the cloud features, if there's an impact to your car, there will be a notification to you from the apps. It will trigger at 10 events before the accident happens, so you will have a comprehensive videos before the accident happens. This model also comes with a SOS button. What is this SOS button is for user. For example, if user happens to see an accident during driving, the user can press this SOS button to record that particular incident, so the user can easily trace back these recorded videos. With this unique design, the CPU and the memory card is separated from the front camera. This design also comes with a secure lock where the user no longer has to worry about temperature cutoff from the camera, as this unit is mounted below the car. This can prevent from hot temperature issue where it will not have a direct sunlight to the box itself. It is also come with a secure design where there's come with a lock where the user can lock it to prevent people tampering the videos or the SD card and the cables. With this design, the front camera is much more smaller than the conventional type. It is much more easier to install and stealthier, and also can prevent the blockage from the driver's viewing while driving.